Hey there! Are you tired of cluttered to-do lists and complicated scheduling? Well, today I'm going to introduce you to a game changer in productivity, Notion's drag and drop planning. Trust me, once you see how simple and intuitive this is, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Pause for emphasis. Imagine this. You have a busy week ahead, with tasks, meetings, and deadlines all over the place. Instead of clicking through endless menus or typing in new dates, you can just click, drag, and instantly reorganize your plans. That's the magic of Notion's drag and drop feature. So, how does it work? First, if you're managing tasks or projects, you can take a task from your sidebar list, say, Complete Report, and drag it straight onto your calendar to schedule it for today or next week. It's quick, visual, and super easy. Gesture or point to imaginary calendar. Want to rearrange content on a page? No problem. Simply click on a paragraph, to-do list item, or even a row in a table and drag it exactly where you want it. It's like moving sticky notes around, only digital and way more organized. And if you love timelines, this feature shines even brighter. Drag and drop to extend a project, shift its timeline to next week, or prioritize by reordering tasks, all with a simple click. Plus, in a Kanban board view, moving a card from in progress to completed is as easy as dragging it across columns. Pause for effect. What are the benefits? First off, flexibility. Plans change, deadlines shift. That's just part of life. With drag and drop, you can effortlessly adapt without breaking a sweat. It gives you a crystal clear visual overview, no more second guessing or getting lost in details. And, for time blocking, it's perfect. You can assign specific times for tasks straight on your calendar by dragging them into designated slots. Plus, it's so intuitive. Even if you're new to Notion, clicking and dragging just feels natural, making complex planning feel simple and stress-free. So, if you're ready to turn your chaos into clarity, give Notion's drag and drop planning a try today. It's a quick way to stay organized, adaptable, and in control of your schedule. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, try it out and see how this powerful feature can change the way you plan. Hit that subscribe button for more productivity tips, and happy planning!